Hello children, welcome to Nagesh Karasgi Orchid School channel. I, Rupali Alle, today I am going to teach you Social Studies of grade 3. So children, you have to open the textbook page number 21. So today we are going to study lesson number 4, our states. Yes children, have you opened your books? Yes, come on. Lesson number 4, our states. Lesson number 4, our states. Children, tell me, which city do you live? Yes, in which city do you live? Yes, we all live in Sholapur. Children, tell me, where is Sholapur is located? In which state? Sholapur is located in Maharashtra state. Very good children. Yes, Maharashtra state in Solapur. Tell me, where is Solapur? Just see here. Here is a Sholapur city. Today in this session, we are going to learn more about the role of government, role of central and state government, names of the states and capitals. What is the role of government, children? Tell me. Yes, who can tell? Yes, the role of government is to fulfill the needs of citizen. Very good children. To fulfill our needs. Just as your parents look after your needs at home, the government looks after the needs, welfare and safety of the people to the country. Yes, the government looks after the needs, welfare and safety of the people of country. The government frames laws or rules to run the country. The next. Yes, it is the government which decides where to build schools, roads, hospitals, parks, stadiums, stations and airport. Now the government decides where to build the schools and roads, hospitals, parks, stadiums and airports and so on. Even the government also provides services like electricity, water, telephones and communication. There are two types of government in India, the central government and the state government. There are two types of government, central government and state government. Let us see the structure of Indian government. See, the central government and the state government. Government of India. See the structure of Government of India. It is central and union government. Executive consists of President, Vice President, Cabinet Ministries. Responsibilities: to pass the laws made by the legislature. legislatures of parliament consist of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and the responsibilities to make the laws. Judiciary consists of Supreme Court of India, and the responsibilities are to solve the conflicts between executive legislatures. Other public relations matter. The next, yes, the central government looks after the safety and welfare of the whole country. It is based in New Delhi, the capital of India. This capital of India. Yes, children. We, the people of India, choose the members of central government. The President, Prime Minister and other ministers form the central government. They live and work in New Delhi. The state and union territories of India. Population, growth, religion. Yes, India is very big country. India is very big country with a huge population. More than 100 crore people live in India. It is difficult for the central government to look after the needs of such a big population all by itself. The country is therefore divided into smaller parts or states. Each state has its own government, which looks after the welfare of the people of that state. Now, children, there are 28 states in our country. How many states are there in our country? 28 states. Yes. Each state has its own capital. Each state has its own capital. In a state, there is a governor, chief minister, other ministers and senior government officers who together run the government. Beside the states, there are 7 small areas directly under the central government. They are known as union territories. Among the union territories, the Andaman and Nicobar Island are the biggest and the Lakshadweep is the smallest continent. Did you know, children, in 1956, India had only 14 states and 6 union territories. The states were further divided into basis of the language spoken, and we now have 28 states and 8 union territories. Now let us see the states of India and their capitals. Yes, children, here are our states and their capitals. States and capitals. Andhra Pradesh, capital is Amravati. Arunachal Pradesh, capital is Itanagar. Assam's capital is Dispur. Bihar's capital is Patna. Chhattisgarh's capital is Raipur. Goa's capital is Panji. Gujarat capital is Gandhinagar. Haryana's capital is Chandigarh. Himachal Pradesh capital is Simla. Jharkhand capital is Ranchi. Karnataka's capital is Bengaluru. Kerala's capital is Thiruvananthapuram. Madhya Pradesh capital is Bhopal. Maharashtra's capital is Mumbai. Yes. Manipur capital is Imphal. Meghalaya's capital is Shillong. Mizoram capital is Aizawl. Nagaland capital is Mohima. Odisha's capital is Bhubaneswar. Punjab capital is Chandigarh. Rajasthan capital is Jaipur. Sikkim's capital is Gangtok. Tamil Nadu's capital is Chennai. Telangana's capital is Hyderabad. Tripura's capital is Agartala. Uttar Pradesh's capital is Lucknow. Uttarakhand's capital is Dehradun. West Bengal's capital is Kolkata. Yes children, now just note down some points. I am giving you a worksheet. Just you have to copy down the points. My state. Just note the points. First one, nickname. Second one, size. Third, population. Fourth, motto. Fifth one, song. Sixth one, nearby states. Eighth one, state tree. Ninth one, state flower. 10th one, year it becomes a state. 11th, state flag. 12th, industry. So just write down my state. You have to write the size of your state, population, your motto and song of a state, nearby states, state bird, state tree, state flower, year it become a state, state flag and industry. Children, I will give you 2 minutes more to copy the worksheet. Have you copied down children? Still 1 minute you want? Yes. Copy fast. I think so all had copied it. Yes. Now children, just open the textbook page number 21. We will going to read the lesson. While reading the lesson, you have to put a finger. Yes children. Our state. So, we have learnt in this lesson the role of government, the role of central and state government, names of the states and their capitals. Now, we are going to read the lesson. Just you have to put a finger. You are ready children? Yes. Just your parents look after your needs at home, the government looks after the needs, welfare and safety of the people of a country. The government frames laws or rules to run the country. It is the government which decides where to build schools, roads, hospitals, parks, stadium, stations and airports. The government also provides services like electricity, water, telephone and communication. There are two types of governments in India. These are the central government and the state government. Next, central government. The central government looks after the safety and welfare of the whole country. It is based in New Delhi, the capital of India. We, the people of India, choose the members of the central government. The President, Prime Minister and other ministers form the central government. They live and work in New Delhi. Next, the states and the union territories of India. India is very big country. Yes, India is very big and beautiful country with the population of more than 100 crore people live. It is difficult for the central government to look after the needs of such a big population all by itself. Yes children, now open page number 22. The country is therefore divided into smaller parts or states. Each state has its own government, which looks after the welfare of the people of that particular state. There are 29 states in our country. Every state has its own capital. In a state, there is a governor, chief minister, other ministers and senior government officers who together run the government. The governor and chief minister live in the state capital. Beside the state, there are 7 smaller areas directly under the next page. Directly under the government. They are known as union territories. Among the union territories, the Andaman and Nicobar Islands are the biggest and the Lakshadweep is the smallest. Delhi is a union territory with a status of the National Capital Territory. Here is a list of the states and union territories along with their capitals in alphabetical order. So children, you have to learn states of India and their capitals. You have to by heart it, the states and the capitals. Union territories of India also. This is your homework. You have to by heart the states and capitals. Okay children? Now few exercises are there like match the pairs, fill in the blanks. You have to just write down in your textbook. Yes children, now you all know India has a population of more than 100 crores. The central government looks after the whole country. India has 29 states and 7 union territories. Each state has its own government which looks after the welfare of the people of that state. Delhi is known as the National Capital Territory. Now children, you have to remember these words. Words to remember. Government, a group of people governing or administering a country or state. State government, government elected to administer a state. Central government, central government elected to govern a whole country. Welfare, well-being of a person or a group. Union territory, area looked after by the central government. Children, you have to solve this exercise in your textbook. Match the columns and fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks, you have to search in your textbook. You will find the answers very easily and you will do the reading also of the lesson. So children, now tell me, Rajasthan's, to the A column you have Rajasthan Central Government Office, Delhi, Andaman and Nicobar and Imphal. The fifth one is Imphal. So Rajasthan is the largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state. Second one, Central Government Office. Where is Central Government Office? Yes, it is in Delhi. Third one, Delhi. Delhi is the, yes children, tell me, Delhi National Capital Territory. National Capital Territory. Fourth one, Andaman and Nicobar. Andaman and Nicobar. The fourth one is Union Territory. Fourth one is Union Territory. The fifth one is Imphal. Imphal, capital of Manipur. Imphal is capital of Manipur. So the next exercise is fill in the blanks children. You have to read the lesson carefully and find out the fill in the blanks. So children, as you read the sentences, you will come to know fill in the blanks. Now children, the homework is you have to do the worksheet which I have given you and you have to read whole lesson and write down the hard words. And the next question, you have to learn the capital of states. Yes children, you have to learn the capital of states. You have to by heart it. And children, okay, thank you children. Have a good day.